Hello friends, today we will see how you get Windows 11 update in your PC right now. Yes, I am serious, you can do it right now. I know you are thinking how, but beware it not be a stable version and you might lost your data, so please back up your data and think twice before begin. It is Windows inside program. Simply you can say it is testing version. Let's start. See, I already get update and installed in my system. Let's see how you can update and install in your system. Go in search option and find Windows inside program and select diagnostics and feedback. Select this option. Click on Get Started and add your Microsoft account. If you have accounts, it's cool. If not, you can make your account and then add. Select Dev Channel. Go to Windows Update setting and then check for updates. Your new update starts downloading and will ask you to restart. Finally, Windows 11 is installed, so guys, play with new Windows.